Oh, look at all that garbage. Is it raining again? God damn it. Oh my god. Yeah, it is. What fuckers. I've got huge news. I have broken the 1 subscriber mark. That's right. I have 1 whole subscriber on my channel. And it made my frickin' day when I saw it. I don't know why. It just did. It was awesome. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are. I don't know what you are. But you made my day. That's awesome. Thanks, dude. Thanks for subscribing. Anyway, what we got here is my CBC Industries 223 Wylde upper on an A 5D 80% lower. I did a little video, like a little review video of this before. And I did put a different scope on it. I had this as a Nikon Pro Staff 4-12. I had that on a bolt action rifle that I got rid of, so I swapped scopes because this one's better. And I didn't want to get rid of it with that gun, so I figured I'd put it on this. But what I have here today is a CMMG 22 long rifle AR conversion kit. And my plan in the long run is to build a AR pistol specifically for the 22 long rifle conversion kit. But I don't have any of that stuff. I just ordered these. They were on sale from Midway or Bernal's, I can't remember. But they were like $150, and I thought that was pretty cheap, so I got it. And I want to see how it goes in. And hopefully, it's kind of crappy out today, but hopefully it stops, gives us a little bit of a break in the rain, and I can take it out and see how it works anyway. So what this comes with is a 25 round magazine for a 22 long rifle. And this is your new bolt. As you can see, the end is shaped like a 5.5. This thing looks used. That's kind of disturbing. But anyway, this is shaped like a 5.56 or 223, whatever, and it goes into your chamber, and then you can see the 22 long rifle loads into the end there, just like right there. See that? It's kind of neat. So I'm assuming that you would just kind of take your AR, pop it open, remove your 5.56 bolt carrier group, and then slide this one in. Close it. It's a little tighter than my original stuff. Close that in there. Oh, neato. It doesn't even fit. Oh, probably pop the magazine out. Okay, now we'll close it. Oh, look at that. That's how you do it, huh? And then you have your 25 round 22 long rifle magazine, which fits very loose. And now it's 22. Maybe. Oh wow, look at that, it only comes back like that far. Folds open. I bet this doesn't close it anymore. No. So That was easy. And just so you all know, this is now a CBC Industries upper with a CMC trigger and a CMMG 22 long rifle conversion kit. That's a mouthful. Alright, so here we are at the super secret test facility. It's quite breezy, so you have to excuse the wind noise, but I got 2 makeshift cardboard targets set up down there. They're only like 20 yards away. This gun isn't sighted in yet. Like I said, I just put this on, so I really don't know where it hits. I'm not going to sight it in because I don't feel like it. But I know this thing works. But just to prove to you guys that it works, we'll rack a couple off. Probably nothing down there. There we go. Empty. See? Works good. Now, we will switch it over to the 22 long rifle kit and see how that works. Full disclosure, this magazine's supposed to hold 25 rounds, and there's no way in hell it'll hold that. I get about 12 or 14 in, and it doesn't accept anymore, so it's already going to be going back, or at least I'm going to be sending an email out to see about it, because that sucks. So already a little disappointed. Magazine's inserted. Let's see if it actually works. Alright, I think it loaded. Let's see what it does. Well, with as many as the magazine holds, it goes off every time. That's pretty cool. I'll take that every day of the week. So here's our 5.56 target. Like I said, 20 yards. You know, I wasn't really taking my time or anything, so there's a couple holes in there. Pretty close together. Once again, not really taking my time. There's our 22 long rifle target. I'd say it works pretty good. I'm kind of happy with it, actually. If only that magazine held the amount of rounds it was supposed to. That really pisses me off, but you know, maybe it's something simple that they can solve. Send me a new one or something. I was a little concerned because when I put it in there, you could tell it was used previously, but I think it works pretty good. Let's shoot some more shit though. Ooh, misfire. What happened? Safety on. I'm guessing that's a light strike or a dud. I don't know. It hit it, but didn't go off. So let's see. That's it. And now, because I am a child, switch back over to the regular 5.56 bolt. Back in the garage. And I'm claiming success today, even though the stupid magazine doesn't hold 25 rounds like it's supposed to. I did email the company. I'll let you know how that goes. But I don't know, I'm pretty hopeful. I think it seems like a decent company. Seems like they'll back their product. I did see on their website everything has a lifetime warranty, so they should back it anyway. Yeah, I got to send that back, send me a new one, fix it, whatever. But other than that, this part was awesome. I think it worked really well, the little bit that I did shoot it today. And I think it's well worth me going forward with my plan of building a pistol for 22 long rifle. And it's neat because you don't need a buffer tube. So you can get a plug to go in here with you can put like a sling swivel on it or whatever. And then I'm probably going to end up getting like a 7.5 inch or so upper. And I think that would be really neat to have a 22 pistol like that. Definitely. I don't know if it'll be as accurate or not, but it will be cool. And just a couple of other notes on this thing. This is all stainless steel, so you don't gotta worry about rusting or anything like that. They do sell plastic, I guess, charge handles for the kit. I don't know if some people had issues with that, but I mean, mine worked fine. I had one dud, pretty sure it was the ammo, but I mean, I'm happy with it. I think it worked really well. Oh yeah. Oh!